Good morning, sewing friends. It's Monday, the Monday before Christmas. That's right, Christmas is this weekend, and I am feeling the pinch. I still have like 2 presents to buy, a couple to wrap, but really, I'm doing very little this year. Gift cards for everyone. I think I've mentioned that before. But let me tell you what we did over the weekend. We had family visit, so we relaxed. I enjoyed eating out, staying at home. I played video games with my sister. We did a lot of dreaming about changing this upstairs because we are going to start renovating the sewing area soon for me. So excited. But we also have, right out this window, contractors working on other stuff. We were just trying to get everything taken care of with the house. I thought we were going to do this in lots of phases, but my husband likes to get things done. So things are happening a lot faster than I thought. So I'm going to be really working hard at sitting in this room while I have a room to work in and try and get some videos knocked out for next year for you. So that's where I will be, right here, trying to get things done. I want to show you though, as I'm cleaning out, and I'm going to take you into the storage room, which is going to become part of the sewing room eventually in just a minute because I'm looking for some things. But I found this little notebook. It's just a little thin notebook. I got it at a little Korean gift market back in the Kansas City area. It's sort of like a Daiso, but much smaller. And it says sewing. It has cute little, it actually looks like stitching on it. And the inside is a little project organizer. And it just has the date and information to put for your projects, which I thought was really cute. I bought this, got packed away immediately, so I just refound it. It's been rediscovered, so I'm going to use this as I'm planning for next year. Let me take you into the storage room and just show you what's up in there and give you a little sneak peek of how things are going to be changing for this sewing space in the future. And then I'm going to take you downstairs and open Advent because we've got 3 days worth to do. Storage. This is where I've been. Here's my desk. Been digging through to find projects and all of my important things, and I'm looking for some heirloom lace, and I know I have a container like this full of some really beautiful laces, so I'm going to dig through this pile here and see if I can find it. If not, I'm going to have to do a quick purchase because I've got plans. Down here, this box is full of finished projects. There's Christmas napkins and all kinds of things that I made and just put away, and they've been in there a while. I should dig that out. Might have to give some of those away. So anyway, this is what I'm working on. This room right here connects to the sewing room. These are just, there's a closet between them. My husband, part of the weekend for him, he spent up in the attic looking at what's load bearing and electrical and heat and all of that fun stuff, so we can start ripping out walls. All right, let's open our Advent and see what we got over the weekend and for today. So start with 18. And it is jalapeno Gouda. Ooh, that sounds good. And 19. 19 is white cheddar. And the last one is double Gloucester, which is today's. All right, let's check out the coffee. And I have a pen here to help me poke it open. So here's 18. Oh, the pen will not retract. Nope, the pen's staying up forever. Okay. All right, I paused for a minute so I could get a different tool to get these open, or at least get them started. So that one is upside down, organic rainforest. And then this would have been Sundays. Ooh, peppermint brick. That sounds yummy. And then today's is salted coconut, another one I'm going to enjoy. I'm currently drinking the Honduran with cream in it, and it's quite good. I had my husband taste it before I put anything in it, and he said, yep, tastes like coffee, because he's not exactly a connoisseur. He just wants the caffeine. Well, that's about it for this Monday. I have my laundry going, and I've got lists going. I've got more wrapping happening down there. I need to turn a light on in this room. It's pretty dark. I have a kitty cat at my feet who's talking to me. You might have heard her. So lots happening around here, though not a lot of exciting stuff to share with you. I'm gonna just turn so you can see my couch. Isn't that cute? Look at all my cute little pillows. I have lots of Christmassy pillows everywhere. And if I keep turning, I don't think you'll be able to see. Can you see I got my recliners in? So we got cute new recliners. Very happy about that. So we're starting to have a room where we can sit in with the family and have a place to go. Let me show you some more pillows real quick. Here's my puppy. This little seating area. We've got a great big snowflake and a pine cone, and that's actually left over from autumn, but it's such a pretty little pillow that I leave it in here. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you again tomorrow for another Vlogmas, and Wednesday for another sewing video.